Hey everyone, I wanted to hop on and talk about XRP today because over the last 3 to 4 days, we've seen absolutely insane moves. So I wanted to kind of give my analysis here, my prediction on where it's going to be going, whether it be up or down. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. However, I will say that I think one of the best places to trade crypto is with Trojan. You can find my referral link in the top of the description. I'd appreciate that. So this is the chart. As you can see, we're looking at the 1 week candles here just to get an overview of the entire thing. We can see right now it is $1.10 for XRP, everyone. This is absolutely insane, and we have not seen these levels in quite a long time. Full disclosure, I do hold XRP, of course. I'm sure the XRP community out there is loving to hear that. So just quickly, we want to check this out. We saw the breakout over $1, which means that the price has decisively broken over that key psychological level. I was really waiting for this to happen to see if we break over it or just bounce right back under. So this was a major resistance zone, and the fact that it decisively broke over it is a very bullish development, as $1 was for a long time, as you can see here, a ceiling for XRP, and then closing above $1 confirms the breakout, indicating really strong buyer demand. Now again, this is the 1 week chart, so closing above it would mean closing at the end of this week, which, you know, we'll see. If you're trying to look for the mid-ish term for XRP here, closing on the 1 week candle above 1 is going to be super important. And along with that, the recent volume is significantly higher compared to previous weeks, which shows a high level of market participation and confirms this actual breakout. You know, like, it's good to see a breakout happen with absurd volume being pumped into it, which is great to see. So now XRP has kind of moved into a price discovery zone where the next resistance is a little less defined. This sharp movement suggests, as we all could expect here, strong upward momentum fueled by a lot of different factors. I'm sure you're over on X checking all of those out and just seeing what's going on there. So for some potential levels to check out here, I'm gonna get my horizontal line. We could be looking just around the 140 to 150, if I can get this line really good on 150 there. Perfect. That could be the next major resistance zone. That's what we kind of need to break in and out of right there, as seen from the 2021 highs, as we're seeing through these lines. Beyond that, what we could be looking at is a rather solid $2 for XRP. Can we imagine? I think we can, and that will serve as a really critical level if this rally sustains. And I will say, from everything that I'm looking here, this chart definitely hints at the beginning stages of a parabolic move, everyone. If this sustains, this could push prices straight to the 140 zone and potentially higher in that short to mid term, which is just absolutely insane. So what you want to be watching for right now is this $1 level. As we know, this is a very key psychological thing. We have broken it. Just keep checking back on that 1 week chart. Keep making sure it is closing around $1. Of course, if it dips under it, not a big deal. It needs to close over $1. That's what's really important there. So if there's any retest, if it occurs, it needs to hold to maintain the bullish momentum we're seeing here. But I'll mark this just in case. The support right now below $1 is looking to be in the we'll place it right there, the 85 cent to the 80 cent range. So those are kind of what we're looking for in terms of the general chart here. I think in the future, I'm going to use something more than the horizontal line to note this a little more obvious. Let me know what you would suggest down in the comments. If you're watching, and subscribe, by the way, while you're down there. So that's the previous breakout zone. So it's super important to watch that if we do dip below $1. But we do also need to be looking at the price behavior near this 140, 150 zone. If the rally stalls or consolidates at these levels, it might start cooling off for a little bit before the second leg up, which could be fine. Some consolidation's never a bad thing. Just make sure that you set your expectations, watch in this general range right here and see what kind of happens there. And what's super important in my opinion here, looking at this chart, is we need the volume to be sustained. A sharp drop in volume while the price remains up here is a very clear sign of weakening momentum, which could see a massive drop, which kind of like this candle on this 1 week right here. You could see something similar to this potentially. So just, we really need the volume to stay there. So it's super important there. My prediction, my projection here is if the momentum continues, we could easily test 140, and then we're gonna aim for the $1.90 to $2 range in the coming weeks. However, for the bears out there, failure to kind of hold this $1 range could lead to a retest and consolidation back towards the 80 to 85 cent range here. So it's looking pretty good. It's in a strong breakout phase with $1 acting as that new critical support. And as long as the volume supports the move, the path to 140 and beyond looks pretty good. And I think this is a great setup for further upside. So that's my general prediction. Those are my thoughts. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. However, I do hold XRP, and this is very exciting to see. So comment down your thoughts down below. Drop a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video.